Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm going to show you how to make my favorite dinner recipe. This is a sheet pan Greek chicken. It's healthy, it's juicy, and it's delicious. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Bone-in skin-on chicken thighs, assorted tomatoes, feta cheese, yellow squash and zucchini, 2 bell peppers, the colors are up to you, 1 red onion, a lemon, spicy brown mustard, some olive oil, thyme and oregano, and salt and pepper. The first thing we want to do is pat our chicken dry with some paper towels. This will make sure the skin turns out nice and crispy. Then place your chicken in a medium-sized bowl and prepare to start the marinade. First add olive oil, this was roughly 2 tablespoons, then the spicy mustard, this was around 3 tablespoons worth, a teaspoon of thyme, oregano, and pepper, and a hefty pinch or 2 of salt. I honestly eyeball everything here. You really can't go wrong, so feel free to make any adjustments as you see fit. Next, you want to combine everything and massage all of the seasonings into the chicken. Now we're going to set this aside in the fridge while we prepare the veggies. First thing you'll want to do is wash and dry all of your vegetables and start preheating your oven to 425 degrees. For the zucchini and squash, I like to cut them in half lengthwise and then chop them by width. For the bell peppers and onions, roughly chop them up. You don't want the pieces to be too small, you still want them to have a good bite to them. However, you're welcome to chop it up however you prefer. Now that all the veggies are cut, you'll want to grab a sheet pan and combine them all together. Next, we're going to season the veggies the same way we did the chicken. Add olive oil, mustard, oregano and thyme, pepper and salt, and the freshly squeezed lemon. Next, we're going to get our hands dirty and mix everything together. After washing those messy hands, grab your chicken from the fridge and place them in between the veggies. It's finally cooking time. Place a pan on the middle rack in your oven and set your timer for 35 minutes. When the timer goes off, take the pan out. This is where the feta cheese comes into play. Add as much feta cheese as you would like and evenly spread it across the pan. Now place the pan on the top rack and set your oven to broil. You're going to watch this for about 5 minutes. And we're done. Look at how good this looks, you guys. I make this dinner at least twice a week. It's easy, healthy, absolutely delicious. I hope you give it a try, and if you do, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video.